What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick little review on the Trail Buddy hiking poles. You can see I've used these for about 2.5 years. You can kind of see that they're dinged up a bit, but holding true, holding strong. I like that they are adjustable for height, and these things are really good. They stay nice and tight. You don't go like this and then all of a sudden the pole slides all the way down. Had that happen to me when I borrowed some poles going on the PCT trail. The thing was kind of broken here, so didn't tighten all the way, but these are nice and tight. I do also like these cord grips. If you're sweating or anything, you still get a good grip on them, and they hold up strong, and I've been using them for 2.5 years, so I definitely recommend them. You can get them out on Amazon here for your adventures, so definitely take a shop and look out on Amazon. So back in the bag they go. You gotta make sure you got those on so the spikes don't rip through the bag. Then you put these on, make sure they're nice and tight. But let's see what else we got in the bag. We got these. Not sure these are for, I believe, the snow. These in case you lose the ones you already got. And then this is just a little thank you card that I've kept. Alright, so putting them away, you want to make sure you got these things on so you don't puncture the bag. You have the clip together, and then you just throw it in the sack. I always like to put, you want to put the pole part down, kind of hold it together. Just get it around it. Okay. Next step I always like to do is I take these big things and just slide them through here. Try to get them to slide down as far as they can. Next up, the extra plugs. And then finally this. I mean, you could really get rid of this, but I just keep it. Throw it back in there. Take these from the hiking poles, make sure they're all nice and tucked in. And then shake it down a little bit and use the drawstring and just tighten it up. There you go. Again, you got this, so you know, you're just stylish, want to bring it around. That's how you do it. Trail Buddy hiking poles.